Hi, a very good evening to all the viewers. I have the privilege of interviewing today Dr. Suman Kumar. This is Dr. Sparsh Gupta, and I have one of the very bright stars of Cerebellum who has recently cleared his FMG exam with flying colors. So many congratulations to you and your family, Dr. Suman.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. And I'm very glad to get the introduction from you, sir. I'm very happy,
Thank you
sir.
so much. It is a pleasure. Can you just give a brief introduction about yourself, your college, your place, and your score to all our viewers?
Yes, sir, sure. So, guys, I am Suman Kumar. I graduated from University of Perpetual Philippines, and I recently cleared my FMGE with a mark of 153. And it's my first attempt also.
So, very well said. And Dr. Suman Kumar is a proud, successful student who has cracked the FMG exam in the very first attempt. Maybe just get to know what exactly were the right things that you did, Dr. Suman, to pass the exam successfully.
Yes, sir. Once I strong with my concepts and basics, and I approached to the MCQ questions, sir. And I solved the MCQs once I finished up some topics. So while solving the MCQs and previous year topics and questions, I just noticed these are the topics that we need to memorize in the head. That's we can't able to apply the concepts at that point of time. Example, during this exam also there were some two questions which came directly from the BTR, like example milestones. They, the milestones is one of the, as ma'am say, it's a choti copy of mine. I wake up at morning and I studied only the milestones and by using the ma'am mnemonic, and I went to the exams and there were 2 to 3 questions directly from the milestones, and
So, Dr.
really
Suman,
helpful.
So, Dr.
Yes, sir.
Suman, I must tell my viewers immensely benefited by using the BTR product of the Cerebellum, as well as it became more useful for him because he had already watched the main videos and his concepts were really strong. How frequently were you appearing in the grand test, Dr. Suman?
So I appear every 15 days. I used to
Okay.
appear every 15 days, and I once I there were some live sessions, and I but I won't attend the live sessions once, because when I attend the live sessions, the results won't be out immediately. It will take some time to process the results. So once or at the end of the live session day, I used to, because I can able to simultaneously check the answer once I finish my questions. And regarding GT, sir, GT is mainly we have to do. Sir. Some people think GT is something that we should attend only if we finish the subjects and only if we strong with the things. But it's not necessary, sir. GT is something that we need to do even if we don't know anything. We can approach through GTs, because what kind of questions that the examiner is asking, we can be able to attend through that. So during my preparation, I found that GT is very important and is a must to do for the exams.
So essentially, the take-home message that Dr. Suman is giving to all his juniors and the people appearing for the subsequent exams is that it is better to have important concepts being made well in advance before you appear in the exam. Secondly, as per his own statement, you should regularly appear in the grand test even if the subject is not completed, because it will help you in having an assessment about the way to approach the subject. In case you are able to finish off a subject, then the same GT is going to be helpful for the assessment of your preparation for the exams. And regular practice of the MCQs again happens to be something which is a must. And the icing on the cake happens to be that beyond the videos, we have a very wonderful source of revision that is available to all the Cerebellum subscribers. That is the BTR. So, for your juniors, I mean, what do you think is going to be, in your own terms, the best and the most effective way to crack the exam successfully? The exam which is going to be taking place in, let's say, June or July. I mean, what should they be doing? Let's say this is Feb. So, going ahead with the limited time that they have, how should they approach the exam?
Yes, the most important thing is we have to keep our mind calm. Sir. We have to be always positive. We have to tell to ourselves that we will be posing this, whatever the questions they are asked, and we should not have the fear of missing out, sir, something. The basic for these exams is to pause the exam. That is the basic necessary for them. So even if your friends are telling like, I have studied from this source, I have studied from different sources, and they have thought, but during the exam there won't be that kind of questions that they have studied. There are some certain kind of questions that they are asked repeatedly, which is definitely from ma'am. So I using this opportunity to thank ma'am Zainab Kora from my
I'll
bottom
convey
of
your
the
best wishes
most.
to her as well. Don't worry.
Sure, sir. Please can convey as well. And I'm also a big fan of you, sir. I watched your YouTube videos during my starting preparation. As the one of the videos of you, like you should tell you, no to everyone when you are doing the preparation. And I use the techniques that whenever my friends were hanging 40, they used to call me, why don't you join? I said, no. No means we have to say no. And it's a great inspiration from you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much. So I believe that the non-academic content that we make from for the students, I think is also being lapped up by them. And that is the reason why we started on that Monday motivation series by Apoor Mehra sir as
Yes,
well on the channel. A lot of people are appreciating and getting benefited from that as well. So we would like to use this opportunity to convey our best wishes to your parents as well, Dr. Suman. Please do convey our
yes, sir.
deepest
Thank you, sir.
regards to them. Thanks to their
Yes,
efforts,
sir.
thanks
Thank
to
you, sir.
your efforts and the sacrifices placed by them. We are happy to see a very smiling face of yours.
Yes,
So
sir.
do convey
Yes,
my
sir.
best wishes to them and all the very best
Yes.
for a wonderful future. Of course, I shall
Thank
convey
you, sir.
your deepest regards and your best wishes to Zena ma'am as well. And from her
And,
side, blessings for a wonderful time ahead.
thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you so much. Thank
Hope
you so much.
hope I will meet you soon, sir. After my PG preparation and exams.
Absolutely, absolutely. It'll be a pleasure. And then I assure you that I would be taking that interview with Zena ma'am for your cracking the PG entrance exam with flying colors.
Thank you, sir. Thank
Thank
you,
you.
sir.
Thank you
See
so
you, sir.
much.
Take
Bye
care.
bye. Thank you.